zombified.
The monsters are living under your bed, 'cause they are the voices in your head. Zombified by the lies they said, we become the walking dead. 'Cause everybody's like an edge. Oh no, they'll never let go of something you said 10 years ago. They're canceling you. They won't stop till everybody's zombified. They're pumping us with lies like it's formaldehyde. We're dead inside. It goes on and on, let this go. When it stops, we'll never know. We're hit.
Then you got the hand, which you got the fisted hands. You got the peace sign hands. And then we got the go to sleep hands. Here's everything that comes with CM Punk figure. Then you got the package, which says the tensions between CM Punk and Drew McIntyre stemmed from their respective first runs in WWE and born over for SummerSlam 2024. The ever dangerous McIntyre made things personal with the Second City Saint. When he arrived in Cleveland, everyone knew what time it was.